Alright, today I've got a printer here. Now, it's an older laser printer, and if you've got any experience with laser printers, you'll know that they're heavy sumbitches, and some of them have a tendency to jam a lot. Well, this one's a really fancy one. It's got a little drum, it's about, I don't know, 10 inches round, that rotates to give the different color of toner. Well, the problem is the drum is stuck, so I can't get the toner in. That's a bit of an issue right there. So I'm going to go through a few processes to hopefully, get it unstuck. And hopefully this will, come in handy for some of you out there that have an issue like this. Yeah, come on, dog. Let's get out of the way. All right, so first off, we're going to try out, just simply power cycling it. Get it turned on and see if it can manually do it itself. Okay, so it's been power cycled. No, I don't think that worked. It's still locked up a lot. Now, we could try jogging it a little bit, just kind of a bit of an trying to get it broke free. Yeah, that seemed to work out. I mean, it moved it. May not have moved it enough, though. Yeah, it's still stuck in there. Let me try again. It's loose. It sure is loose. But it's up. Ta-da! Hey! That's very simple. And pretty easy to get out. But I need to change all my toner. And just tapping on it, that's probably not very good for it. Another one of the issues with these old printers is, they're covered in plastic. Everything is absolutely covered, and it's really hard to get to. So there's a lot of screws to get through, and they don't always stick to the same thing. Phillips, flatheads, Torx, Allens. It's never the same thing in the end. So you got to go through a whole bunch of different screws, and you never know what you're going to run into. There's a few ways to get by this and be set for life. You can just hit it a few times, hopefully knocking them free. Use a flathead maybe. But sometimes that just kind of leaves them scarred. You'll no longer be able to even use the right screwdriver for that particular screw. But there's also another way to get around that. You just kind of pry on it just a little bit. Try to get it opened up a little. Then maybe you can use some pliers on it. There's several different ways of getting around screws. They're not all recommended, but they work in the end. If there's an issue with, say, fixing something like an engine, and what you're doing just isn't working, it's often recommended get a bigger screwdriver. I see that drum moving. Let's see. Move just a little bit. Let's see if I can power cycle it again. No, I don't think that helped. One more time. Nah. It's got to be a pretty bad jam that it's not undone yet. Yeah, that's not getting anywhere. I just think the best choice right now would be to just throw the thing away. Try not to power it on anymore either.